Hello. I was curious for your feedback if any one of you knows what this sound is. A couple weeks ago, maybe around the 4th of June, 2025, I was camping just east of Payson, Arizona, near an area called Diamond Point Lookout. And it was evening. I closed the screen door but left the door open so I could get some air in there. So it was pretty dark. I just had a amber light on outside, and all of a sudden I heard this noise that was rather strange. And if any of you would know what this sounds like, let me know. But it went on for like 15 seconds straight. No pause in it. It went straight. And then I decided, why not record it? So I grabbed my phone, I pick it up, and yeah, as soon as I hit record, a second later, the darn thing stopped. And I never caught any more of it that night. So I put on this video, I put duplicate multiples of the same little bit that I caught, and was interested if any of you might know what it is. Thank you. Well, that was it. Remember, I just had it on loop, and that this was a constant noise for 15 seconds straight, which is rather strange, but please give me your feedback. Thank you.